A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, today we are going to learn about subtraction. That is chapter 3 on page 34-35 of your new maths time. Okay, before starting, let me tell you some learning outcomes you will get at the end of this audio visual lesson. Okay, students, you will be able to subtract 4-digit numbers with or without regrouping. Yes, we are having regrouping in subtraction as well. Okay, so first section is check what you know. Okay, this is recapitulation portion, what you have learned in grade 2nd. We are going to recapitulate it first. Question 1 is subtract without regrouping. Okay, so no need to regroup here because we are having larger number as minuend and smaller number as subtrahend, right? Okay, before starting, let me tell you the subtraction rhyme. More on the top, no need to stop. Okay, when you are having larger minuend on the top, no need to stop, go on subtracting. Okay, when you're having more on the floor, go next door. It means here you are having 5 is less than 8. You are having more on the floor, more at the bottom than the top. Subtrahend is larger than the minuend. What you are going to do, you are going to next door. You are moving to next digit, that is at tens place here. You are borrowing from there. You are doing regrouping. Okay, this I will teach you how to do it. But you remember the poem, you remember the rhyme. More on the floor, go next door. Okay, and get 10 more. Now next is numbers the same. 0 is the game. Here having 8 and 8, these are the same numbers, equal numbers, and you will get, when you will take out 8 from 8, you will get 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, you will remember this rhyme. Now, we will do question 1 here. 426 minus 314. First, start from the ones column. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. So simple. 112 is the correct difference that we got from the subtraction problem here. Okay, 426 is the minuend and 314 is the subtrahend. And what is the difference? 112. Students, you will do B-part yourself like this. This is the question without regrouping. No need to go next door and borrow 10. No need. You are having more on the top, so no need to stop. This portion of rhyme is applicable without regrouping here in question 1. Now in question 2, subtract regrouping of tens. See, in this question, I am having 6 as minuend and 7 as subtrahend. How will I take 7 out of 6? No, it is not possible. 6 is smaller number. So, here we are having, what will we do? We have 3 tens here. We will borrow 1 10 from it. Okay? When we will do it, it will get reduced to 2. It will be like 3 minus 1, that is 2. We will cross the 3 and write 2 above and 1 in front of 6, and it will be like now 16. Okay, 16 minus 7 is 9 and 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 229 is the difference that I got from this regrouping of tens. 1 second, let me teach you this once more. You are having more on the floor here. You are having more. So what will you do? You will go next door and get 10 more from it. When you will get 10 more, 10 plus 6 will make 16. Okay, here we will write 16 and it will get less by 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now I am having 2 and 16 here, and you will do the subtraction part like that. Moving to question 3. Subtract regrouping of hundreds and tens. Okay. Now we are having 3-digit numbers and we are having regrouping of hundreds and tens as well. In the above question, we did regrouping of ones. Okay. Now see what to do. In this question, 2 is greater than 1. Subtrahend is larger number. So what we are going to do, we are having less on the top and more on the floor. We are going to go next door. So next door is what? 5. Tens digit. In ones column, 1 is smaller than 2, right? And 5 in tens column, we will cross it. And we will make it less by 1, that is 4. And we will add the 10 to 1's place. It will make 11. We know 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 6. Is it possible for us to subtract 6 from 4? No. So what will we do? We have to regroup now 10's place also. For that, we will go next door to hundreds place, that is this, and we will borrow 10. 6 will give 6 hundreds we are having, and it will give 100 to this, and now the number is 14. Okay, 14 minus 6 is 8. Now the number here is reduced by 1, and we will now write here 5. 5 minus 2 makes 3. This is how we are going to do regrouping of hundreds and tens. Okay. Question 3 part B you will do yourself. Question 4 now. Subtract numbers with 0. You know, regrouping is taking some value from one place and giving it to another place. The place that needs more. What will we do in this question? See, we are having more on the floor. We are having 0 on the top. What will we do? We will subtract 1's place first. Can we take 5 from 0? No, we can't. We can't subtract larger number from smaller number. 5 is larger number. We regroup the tens place. This tens place. Okay. But there is nothing. There is again a 0. This means we have to regroup all the way to hundreds place. Okay. We are having 500. So we will borrow 100 from it, and the next digit to it is 0. It will form like 10 first. Okay, this 10-digit number. Then it has to regroup with 1's place. When it will lend 110 to it, it will get reduced by 1 and it will form 9, and here we will get 10. Okay, then we are now able to do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here I am having 9 now. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. No, here we are having 4. Okay, 5 is got reduced by 1. So 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So 455 is the difference that we got. Students, you are instructed to do part C from question 1 to question 4 in your maths textbook. This was all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.